Okay, so now we will move in the next selector. As like we discussed selector one, which is what was that selector? What was the name of that selector? Previous one.
Sir,
Hello. We know
sir,
the concept,
grouping
but we no.
unique
Simple
What?
select,
selector, inverse
Yeah,
selector.
simple
universal,
selector.
simple,
Simple. Simple selector. Now second is combinator selector. Okay, so what it will do, combinator selector, it going to explain something relationship between the selector. Means when you getting the word, see how you will keep remember these things. Simple means a space. Why you keeping a space? I will show you. Now see a space in the sense just simple, like a taxi you had pass here a space. Okay, then again this one, then you pass a space, then again in the last you pass the space. So simple selector a space, and how we had passed means what are the criteria? So with tag id class. So simple selector means that one. Next, combinator selector. So in case of combinator selector, what is there? The term that is relationship. Okay, combinator means relationship. So between the selector, how we will work? Now see. Actually, this topic in the last, but I want to cover along with itself. That's why we going with the W3. So first text selector type is first one is a descent selector. Descendant selector. Descendant selector means a space. Okay. How we will do that? Try yourself. Just see. See what it had done. I will copy this complete code. Who is on unmute?
Samir Raja.
Please mute that.
Sound है.
Now see what is doing. 1 second. Let me comment this. Yeah. So in the case of simple selector, what we had done, we had taken some P. Okay. This P, ignore this one. We had taken some P means paragraph. Then again, we had taken some div and then some P. Paragraph tag, then again something, then again some different. Okay. So it came in the CSS part. What we had done, we had taken div and P. Okay. What it going to refer means what it had done, it had make relationship with which tag? It make a relationship. See, now you are aware all the things. Just you have to use your mind. That's it. Now tell me what things it will do. It will make a relationship. Okay. So with whom? With which tag it will make? Give some idea.
paragraph tag,
And
and another paragraph tag.
how? What style we had written here? As suppose we had written on the top. See this one. What it
Yes.
by doing? Just try to compare. You will get easily. Simple. What are you getting from the second one? H1 dot ahead. What are you getting in this one?
Sir, class tag.
First which one? What it will search?
H1 compare. Yes, sir. Relate
Yeah. First it
to
will search
class
for
tag.
H1. Then it will go for the head. Head means a class A. Correct? Because the dot is there.
Yes.
So first it will
Okay,
search
sir.
for
Then
H1.
that one is div and paragraph.
Yeah, correct.
Check.
So it will search for div and p tag.
Paragraph.
Now come to the code. Which is this? First a div and then p tag. Okay. And one more, which is that? Paragraph P3 in the div. See this one. Okay. Means what it had done, just check the code. What relation he is searching there? What relation
Sir,
he is
div
searching?
and
Div and P. And how we had make the relationship between multiple tag with the help of what tag? What thing here? A space.
okay.
This is-
Yes, sir.
this is a descendant selector. Okay, so descendant means a space. Simple selector means grouping. Grouping means how? Comma separated. Okay, a space is not taking care of that one, that ignore, but comma was there separated. But here how we had make that relation? With the help of a space. Okay, so first it had search for div and then P, means if there is relation between div and P, then it will affected. Okay, fine. So now come to the our here.
Sir,
Yeah.
is a space compulsory for simple selector also?
No. In case of simple, it's not compulsory. Is the comma separated.
Okay.
In case of that, a comma separated is compulsory. But in case of a descendant selector, a space is compulsory. We will verify if we are removing that, then what will happen? We will check. So div and P, it's searching for the relation between div and P. So first we will check with the div. Div and P is related, correct? Second is also related.
Yes.
And in the third case, with a div itself, means this div, one P is there, but section is also there in this case, correct? So means what it had done, whatever parent and whatever child is there, it will make relation. Got this? So it will make effective. So that's why paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and paragraph 3. So paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and paragraph 3. Any issue in simple descendant selector?
Sir,
It will, yeah.
sir, if
Huh.
I want to make only P, that after in section of the P, I want to make that only background yellow. Then we will write div space section space P.
Div space, section space, P.
P.
Okay, let's
That
see.
is correct.
Okay, 1 second. And one more thing. If we will not pass a space, remove a space. Now see, it becomes simple. See, the color itself got changed, correct? Color of this. Now see, this become yellow color. But when you removing this space, it become white color. That's why it is going to represent different, because it's searching for some tag, but this is not any tag. Correct or not? It become tag or not? If we written like this, now it is like a tag, as like a P tag or H1, but it's searching for that div and P, but it's not getting anything. So when there be separating multiple tag, we can pass a space. Yeah, Amardeep, what was your question? For section. Okay, now we will verify that. How we can make it? We will take a div, then we can go with section, and then we can go with a P. Let's see what it will do. And here we can.
Sir, write one H1 tag also in the in section.
Oh, okay, we will go with that. Means that become complicated, but we will go. Now see what we had done.
No, sir. I want to check that it only applying to P or it will applying P or H1 both.
Okay, we will check that, but first let's clear this one. But what we had done, we had a focus particularly to paragraph third in the div section. This become yellow. Okay, what we had done, we had taken first div, then we had gone with that section, and then we had taken P. Means div, section, and P. Same thing we written, div, section, P, and this become yellow. Up to this clear? Anyone have
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt?
Sir.
Clear. Yeah, Amardeep, now come
Sir,
to your question.
Sir, now remove this div. Give only section
Which
underscore
div?
P. No, sir, in the style section. Remove div.
Okay. Yeah, then also it will work. It worked. Because now see what it's searching. Go through the code. What it's searching now? It's searching for section. Correct?
Yeah.
It will search in HTML for section. And then in section, what it will search?
Yes,
it will
sir.
search for the P. So first it search for section, then it search for P. It worked because it getting that there. Correct or not?
It's all about parent-child relation. If the any
Yeah.
other section will be out of this div, then that section also will be yellow. But I want
Yeah.
to make only this section, then I will write div section and P.
Now we see what we will do. We will pass here not a P, we will pass here H1. Now see.
Then not
H1 is
working.
Yeah, then it will not work because what it's searching? It's searching for section and P.
Section and P.
Now, yeah, now you want for section P and H1. I don't know whether it will work or not. Let's see what it will do. It will work. Okay, got this? How it happened? Because first it had a search for section. Okay, and after section it had a search for P and comma. Comma means what? Referring to the tag in the
Yes.
simple selector.
Simple
And
selector.
then it search for H1. Then it work means section, and inside section P, H1, H2, whatever we had passed, it affected all. Up to this clear?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this become descendant selector. Now come to the next. What is that? Next is child selector. Remove this. Go with this example. Now check. Now child selector. I will copy this. Writing anything for dummy text is very difficult because we can't getting the text itself what we can write. If you have to write any code, you can get, but if you have to write any particular, then you will not get idea. And main thing, why I commenting? If I will not comment, and suppose some style be applying here, and this is already applied somewhere, we will not get effect. That's why I commenting. So best practice of HTML and CSS to comment and check. Otherwise, you will not get and you will wasting time. So now child selector, what it will do? Here is that. Yeah. So in case of child selector, the child selector selects all element that are children of a specified element. Means it will search for the parent and child relation. But which type of parent and child, that we will look. Wait. CSS we not copied. There is that CSS, this one. If you will work on UI only, that time you will see this much too. Means that time you have to work these all things too much. But if you working on Angular, it's not, because you will mainly focus with the JavaScript and Angular things. But if anybody working on front end side UI part, it have to work too much these things. That is designing. So see what we done in this case. First go with a style. What we had done? Div and P. Okay, and one thing in simple selector, how we had relate different with the help of what? In simple selector, comma, correct? In the case of a descendant selector, how we had a make relation?
Space.
With the space.
A space. So now in the case of child selector, child means this is greater than. Okay. With the help of that greater than symbol, we will make relationship between the child selector. See, these all are the keyword actually. Okay, this one. Descendant space, child selector greater than, adjacent sibling plus, general sibling tilt. These all are key symbol, means keyword. While interview, you can directly hit your mind in this symbol and you can tell the answer. You will get that. Because in interview, they are asking how you will pass color with that descendant selector, how child sibling working, this thing. So directly you have to keep in mind that symbol. It will get, that's not the issue. I will give you
Can you
idea.
explain one more time, please, sir?
Which one?
Sir, this one, descent and child selector, adjacent or gen.
This now this is going actually. This is now we are on the second one, child selector.
Okay.
Means I told these are the 4 type. That is important. This is the comes under combinator selector. These are the type of combinator. Okay. Already we are on the second child selector. So how child selector is working? So in case of child selector, when you have to apply any type of a style on the child, parent child, then you will go with the greater than symbol. Now div and P. Now check on which you had a style had affected. Div and P. Which div? Div is this one. Okay. This div and P. See this P1 and this P1. These two are child of that one. But this is not the child. This section is not the child. Now, which is child? This one is the child. Okay. Now see, this is already one text is written there. What you getting from this text? Not a child, but a descendant. Okay. You can search in Google that descendant means what. So this is not your child. This will not comes in child, but we had seen in the descendant selector that this had work. So when you want to apply some color only to the child, in that case, you can go with the child selector. And how you will apply the color? Just a greater than symbol. That's it. And you will make a relation. So see, parent, which one will be parent? Parent will be div, and after that, whatever child will be, it will affected. So P is there. Suppose here any H tag is there. How you will pass? H1 is there. Tell me.
Sir,
Yeah.
how child selector will identify that P1 is a child tag and selection is not a child tag?
Okay. So see here, how a style will identify. A style will identify with the help of this greater than symbol. Okay.
Okay.
Whatever you had apply with the help of this greater than symbol, it will get identified. Remove this greater than and go directly. What it will do? It now it is applicable for all div and p. But means div and p as giving the space means which now it become which type of selector?
Space means previously
Space means
we already seen.
this descendant means now it will applicable for div and p. Okay. Now see the paragraph third in div section, it also got affected. But now make this child selector. Child selector means what? Whatever parent is there and whatever children, now it will applicable to those only. Now see the div is that and p means what? First level. P is this first level, but section is the first level, not the p. Correct or not? In this one, section is the first level, means he is a child of a div, but p is not because he is inside the section. Correct or not? Means from the suppose that on your text, what you have to do, you have to pass some style which is first child. What you will do? You can go with the child relation. So whatever first element, it will got affected. Okay. Suppose suppose H1 is there. What you want? H1 should be like someone, some style should be affected. Just you can pass here H1. Now see what will happen. H1 become because H1 is the child of the div. So how CSS is identifying and how HTML is identifying that whether that is a child or not with the help of a greater than this symbol. So see what it will do. How I mean say when you have to use this one, if there is any scenario that suppose some section is there, and if you had written something inside this, wait, inside this take again one p tag, okay, and take again h1 tag, okay. Now maybe any scenario you will get multiple type this type of things, means this section multiple type, but you not want means you got some design in that you had created some relation nested element, okay, nested tag. In that scenario what you want that all nested element of first element only to make some colorful, that time you will go with this different type of selector. Okay, means suppose that this div section, wait, I will take this section 5 times or 4 times. Now suppose there is scenario that I not want to make a color of complete, but I want to make a color of a first heading of each section. What you will do? We will check that whatever the first section of a heading means first heading of each. So heading is the, we can go with the child relation. We had passed that. Otherwise, you can go like a, whatever selector we had studied in the previous particular tag, particular ID. Got that? So this is like universal. If we want that first element of each section should be red color. We can go by this way. Different situation will be there. Got this? See, I know this is look like confusing. Don't worry. When you will get the scenario and task, then you will realize why which we can go, which will be easy. Suppose if you have to write each time for a heading, color should be red. Okay, what you will do? You will go with a div and you will pass this one particular heading section. Okay, these are just like that itself, but different name. So we are going different style. But we
Sir,
can go whatever. Yeah.
I want to affected at the same time P tag and H1 tag also. Both tag I want to
P,
affected at the
okay.
same time.
Okay. So you want this P tag also should be affected and H1 also,
H1
correct?
tag. Yes.
Yeah. What you can do? Possibility. What are the possibility you can identify? See, if we writing anything HTML itself, there are different possibility. Or suppose that you have to write anything in the new line, you can go with break. You can use block line element. So different possibility. Same thing is here. Now tell me if you want H1 and P, what you will do? We had gone with div. Okay.
Yes.
H1 will got affected. Now you can go with P tag. Now P got affected. Whatever P. Got this?
Yes. Yes.
So see, whatever we know still all will work. But there are different scenario. Okay.
But
There are different page. Yeah.
But this is not belongs to child selector now because we didn't
Yeah.
use greater than symbol.
Yeah, that's I told. This not belonging. But suppose now if you want to make particularly with the child selector, you have to follow the child selector rule. What is child selector rule? This one.
Got it. Got it.
Got it? So
Yes.
different scenario. Now it will focus only what? Now see, your heading, only that heading got affected, which comes under child. How it identify child? With the help of this greater than symbol. And now,
Got it.
which child? Child is of which one? Div and H1. It will search for the relation div and H1. Now it will search in our full complete. What? Div and H1. It got affected. Now it search in the another section. Where is that? Yeah. Another section. This div and H1. So whatever parent-child relation came with div and H1, it got affected. Clear or not?
Clear.
Now I
If we
now I
take
think,
upper and lower div, both relation, div and
which
div,
one? Which one
div
you
and
telling?
div, upper div and bottom div.
I
Line
can't
number
get.
121, div
Okay.
and upper one.
Upper which one? This one.
No, upper.
This one you
This
telling.
one. Ah,
Yeah. See,
yes, sir.
don't worry. This is one heading. See the bottom heading. See this bottom heading. All got affected.
Okay, sir.
Because got it. Because whatever we had applied here, parent-child relation, this got affected for complete. 1 second. Yeah, for complete H1 means complete HTML page. Wherever it will got that div and H1 relationship, make effective. Clear? That is the thing. So it get affected all heading, which is comes under the parent-child relation of a div and H1. Clear?
Sir,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
sir, when we was when we will use in child selector
Okay.
div greater br h1, sir, in h1 replace br. So sir, all br all sir hr, sir, all.
You want to replace this HR.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So whatever HR will be there, it will got affected. But how you will realize this HR? Because this is horizontal line.
Yes, sir.
But how you will realize? It's not possible. If you making any background color with HR also, then also not. But one thing that will got affected means whatever HR will be. But this HR, where should be available? This HR. Okay. One thing. Wait. Now one question I got. Let me go with EM tag. Okay. And now I written one EM tag. Okay, this one. Now I want to make a parent relationship with this EM tag with a div. How we will, where we will place and how it will work. Can anyone tell? Let move EM.
EM.
Okay. Now tell me why it's not got affected. How we will make this? Anyone?
Because EM is not belongs to inside the div.
Okay. So what I will do?
Where EM tag will write inside the div, because on the time he will become a child and div
Okay.
will become parent,
Means,
then only it will be affected.
okay, means you want me to move that EM tag anywhere here, correct?
Yes, inside
Okay.
the div.
Let's see. It worked. Why it work? Because now this div and
Is parent,
EM,
this
yeah.
is child. Yes.
Now div and EM become the parent-child relation. But same thing, if you will move this, it will work. Same thing, because now this become which type of selector?
Descent selector.
Descendant selector. And the same thing is happening here. Descendant means what? First a div and then it will search for EM. So that what I told, different ways of applying CSS. Okay. So that is the thing. Means nothing is possible with just only one option, only one page. So these are different ways. So one page is descendant selector, other page is simple selector, then child relationship selector. Correct. So these are different ways. By that we can apply. It will affect same thing. But sure, something is different. When you will requirement usually like that, it will be available. Clear or not? I think now it will clear. If
Clear,
not, then you can.
clear.
If anyone have doubt, then you can ask. No issue. Shivani, what about your side?
Sir, everything is clear.
Oh, everything clear. Wow.
What a
So no need.
confidence.
So no need to proceed. This all topic. Clear all things.
No, sir.
Oh,
No.
okay. So what is the next? Next is our adjacent sibling selector. What means sibling?
Sibling like brother, sister.
Yeah. So same thing is here also. It will search for sibling. It was searching for child actually previously. Now it will search for the sibling. Where is that?
सर इन लोग को भी भाई बहन होते हैं क्या सर?
Yes, man. Nested parent relation is going. Okay.
हमसे कर रखिए बाजी, हम करवा देंगे.
What you telling? Vivekanand.
I
Don't
think he
came in his-
replied someone, not inside our class.
Oh. No, he came like tsunami. He gone like Tufan. He came suddenly move. If
He's
you
a
coming
bit-
like tsunami, please stay for a few minutes at least. We will also feel
Sir,
something.
why we study
Sorry,
different
Sorry,
combinator selector?
What you telling?
Every selector are same use now.
Yeah. All have same use, but just a different function, different functionality. Okay. You will see that. We will verify what are the differences.
Oh, okay, sir.
See, output will be same. It will means when you're going with same thing like a combinator selector, then if you're going with like a child selector, all will be same. It will look like that same thing. We can work with simple selector itself. You will realize, but sure, something is difference. Not much more, but some difference. Okay, so now what we had done, our another selector is adjacent sibling selector. How we will make relationship between the adjacent selector means how we will realize that any selector is with the adjacent with the help of a plus symbol. Okay, as like previously, it was which selector? Descendant.
Child selector.
Child selector. So in child selector, we had gone with a greater than symbol.
Greater
Now in the sibling selector, child sibling selector, we will go with the plus. Okay. So what it will do? It will search for the sibling. Which type of sibling? Div and P. Okay, let's see what happened. Div and P. So where what happened? This one. 1 second. Now see, just one time read this line first, then you will get clear somewhat. The plus, the selector is used to select an element that is directly, okay, directly after another specified element. Means as like previously in child selector, what it was referring? It was referring to this one, correct or not? In making relationship with parent and child, it was referring to this one. But in child selector, child sibling selector, it will not referring this one. It will refer the element which is directly after this one. After this one, which element is coming? Directly after this. This one is coming or not?
No, sir.
No. Directly after this element. See the definition itself. The plus selector is used to select an element that is directly after another specified element. Okay, the following example select first P element that are placed immediately after div element. What you got from this line?
First P element that are placed immediately after div element.
Immediately means what? Outside? Means just after that.
Yes.
Suppose that, wait.
After the div tag.
Yeah, immediately means just after that. Suppose if we going here, suppose Praful is here sitting, okay, but if I going here, some guest is there, so what about this? This is immediately after this one.
Yes, immediately jumped.
Yeah, immediately means the next one. So same thing is happening here, immediately after this. Yeah, so same here, what? Immediately after this one, div. So that become what? Which type of selector? Means immediately after that particular element,
Singly.
it will refer to which type of selector?
Sibling selector.
Adjacent selector.
Adjacent sibling selector. Adjacent sibling or
Adjacent.
Sir, इसका कोई is there any real time example, real time scenario?
when you will
Sibling
work
selector.
then you can adjacent sibling selector name. These are not much more
Adjacent
useful, but the person who are working on UI side, they are using these all much. Adjacent sibling. So see what happened means you can if you want conclusion, you can tell that with the help of plus this one div and plus P, it going to exclude this one. Means this will not go on effective on that one, but it will effective on the first element. See, div and plus P, we had referred this one. Means it make relationship like div and P as immediate sibling selector, correct? Means adjacent sibling. Means what it done? It left this one, this both. See, P paragraph 1 and paragraph 2, it not got affected, but paragraph 3 after a div, it got affected. Means what? This is after the parent.
That's why that use immediately.
Yeah, that got affected first line. Second, what?
Okay, got
This
it.
paragraph 4, it not got used because it excluding which one? Div and P. Okay, it excluding this parent relation. But paragraph 3, it got affected because the definition of adjacent sibling telling immediate after that, which one? Element, a specified element. So which is a specified element? Div and P. Correct or not? So that's why this element got
Okay,
affected.
sir, I want to say one thing.
Yeah.
Suppose line number 148. Suppose
148.
instead of P, if H1 tag is over there, then
Okay,
it will be
let's verify what it will do. HEADING heading tag. Now it's not, but what we can do in place of P, remove P and pass H1. And let's see. it's not. Why? Immediate.
Yes.
Immediate is not that one.
I
Now
got-
what
got-
you can do? Yeah. Now cut this one and pass in the top.
That's
Now
right.
it become immediate.
Yes.
Correct or not? Now
Yes.
see, it worked. So it gone and exclude this complete div. Means
But H1 is not inside div. Then
yeah, it not referring that the parent. It referring this div. Whatever div is there, it will left. Ignore that one. Okay. And what
See,
it will
sir,
add?
Sir, apart from
Yeah.
div, it will
Correct.
be jump to next line apart from div.
Means as a conclusion, you can tell whatever first means div or whatever is there, it will left that section. But
Mhm.
it will apply where? Plus means just think apply. Okay. It will apply where? Immediate first one.
Yes, yes.
Immediate means that now we are on the H1. So this style got affected on the H1. Means plus means added. Just imagine like that as a just understanding purpose. Plus means added this style on immediate one. Which immediate one? H1. And H1 is this.
Sir,
So
we can
it not
we
Yeah.
can say this way also, means whatever the div, it will omit the div and it will be considered after that which one is first line
Yeah.
code, it will be considered first line code.
Yeah, correct. So inside that means first line code. Okay. It will gone and affect that one. Whatever is there, it not. Means it had removed this complete div because first is the div. Okay. Second is plus. So with the help of plus, it added that section. Means this style to which one? Immediate this tag. Okay. Do one thing. Is it possible to apply the same thing on the second one for this section? See on the this div, P is there and P is also there. Okay. Now I want to apply on paragraph number 7. This paragraph.
It won't apply.
Okay, let's see what we can do or that or not. How we can do? We can pass comma, I think. Just verify whether it will work or not. Plus and P. Let's see. It worked.
Okay.
Means what happened? This become a grouping. Correct or not?
Yes, yes, we can group over here also.
We can pass a grouping. Different things we had applied. So like this way. Means and one thing. What it had done? It had which tag it had ignored? It had applied on the paragraph number 7. Okay. Now see this div section. He had removed this complete div. Okay. And due to plus, it had taken that immediate first one after plus. After plus, which is first one? Paragraph. It taken that one. Any doubt? Tell me.
No, no doubt. For me, no doubt.
Others, please.
no, sir.
Clear. So
No
just
doubt,
you
sir.
have to realize
No
one
doubt.
thing. What you will do? Whatever div you had passed or section, anything. Okay, do one thing. What I will do? I will take another thing. I will take one section. Now mute somebody new noise are coming. I will take some section. Tell me some tag.
Like
Shivani, Praful, Roshan, Atul. Tell some tag.
P tag, sir.
PM
Paragraph.
tag.
Which tag?
P.
P tag. Okay. No, go another tag. Because PH1 already
Yeah.
we had taken.
EM tag.
Okay. EM tag. Let's verify. EM tag. Okay. Next, tell any one tag more.
option tag,
Option. Then you have to pass value. You are more standard. Don't go. It become H5.
Span.
Okay. Wait. Okay. H15. H5 is also fine. Heading number 5. Okay. This completed. Now I have to apply which one? Adjacent sibling.
Yeah.
Now tell how we will apply.
A span, you have to write a span over here.
Okay. Go with a span.
Yes, because we are going to consider
This
first one.
is a span. Now, Praful and Abhishek, you have to tell, I have to apply color over a span, but not directly, like ID, class, this, that, with adjacent sibling property. How we will pass? Both of you can. See, same thing we can do with like simple selector, directory with the tag, with ID, class. Correct or not?
Correct, sir.
Correct.
Correct. Suppose if I have to apply a style, means color, background, or anything, like in the tag, this is a span, we can go with anything. But I want with adjacent sibling property, which we had just studied. How we will? Tell me, I will write
So
a code
you-
here itself. Yeah, tell.
Hello.
Yeah, next.
Sir, style EM.
Sir, can I?
1 second. Roshan, your side. Okay, first question. First is hint I will tell. Adjacent sibling selector. What is the keyword? What is the key point with
Plus,
Div plus
plus,
tag.
not a div and plus tag. Plus is the
Okay.
key point. Okay. Which tag you have to exclude? Means you not want to make the part. Which tag?
EM.
No. See,
Section.
this is your completely.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Which one you not want to add? Means ignore. Which one you want will ignore?
So H5.
H5. Immediate child. Which one is that? Immediate
Span.
child.
Span.
A span. Correct. So
Yes.
Yes.
I have to apply on the span. Means which one you will ignore? In plus
Section.
EM
Section.
and S5.
section we will ignore.
Yes.
Yes.
So with section. We ignored section. Where be applied? Means on which be added? On which tag?
Span.
A span. Pass a span. Now pass the style. Color. Red. See. Came or not came? It came bottom. Let go background color. Wait. Came in the bottom. Got this or not?
Yeah, I got it.
Sir.
Because for that particularly sibling, we are going to apply for that.
Yeah. So now it's clear or not? What we had done?
Yes, sir.
We had ignored. Which one we had ignored? This section.
Section.
This particularly we had ignored, but where we had applied with the help of plus, we had identified that one. Okay. And where we applied on the span. So that's why we had passed this one. Same thing we can do with like particularly a span also. Okay. But you know when it will be useful. Now see. Suppose this section you pass here one more span. This is a span 2. Okay. Now suppose this one. Now how many times I had written? Like 3 times. Okay. Now check on our UI. Wait. Oh, already I saved. Now what happened? Whatever this is a span. After a heading, whatever a span is there, first span, make that color red. How we had done? We had used child sibling, adjacent sibling. Means with the help of plus, whatever first span is there, we had make that. Means suppose in any book scenario or you had make your design website, and what is the need in each content, first line I want to be colorful. You can go like this. Correct.
Yes.
For first subheading, if we want some scenario, we can go in this way. So no need to particularly find out that which one, but means directly it will affect on the second, whether whatever is there ID, class, that's not the matter. Matter is with the help of plus, it will identify and it will add, apply that one. Correct? Any issue?
For me, no issue.
Clear? So see, don't get confused. These are basic thing, and same thing we can apply with a normal also by ID, class, those things. But there are different scenario by which we can utilize. When you will get more work, that time you will realize how we can use this.
With the real-time scenario.
Yeah. What happened? Error. Oh, it got commented. That's why. Okay. So we covered adjacent child sibling. Adjacent sibling. Now next is a general sibling. What is the symbol? This one. Anyone have any idea?
Tie symbol.
Tie symbol.
Yes.
I think that is a tilt. I don't know whether
Yes.
tilt.
Yes, sir. Tilt. Below escape.
Tilt, no? Correct. Where you will get this in your keyboard? That symbol.
Below escape button.
See, in your keyboard, tab button is there, above of tab, and escape key is there below of that. You will see that.
Yes, the left side of one.
Yeah, there itself. So that is a tilt symbol. So with the as like previously, we had gone with different type of selector. Same thing. Now again. If anybody will uncomment this complete code, then it become attractive rainbow. Yeah. So what it had done? Yeah. So general sibling. In general sibling, how we will identify with the help of a tilt symbol. Okay, you will make a relationship with the tilt symbol. Select all element that are next sibling of a specified element. Means what? Next sibling. Next sibling in the sense which one? This is your div. Okay. Which is next sibling?
Line number 1998.
198. This p tag. Okay. And this will also comes under that itself. Next sibling. Means this is general sibling. General sibling means whatever is coming there. So see what it had done. It had find div. Okay. So first it had searched for the div. Div section is this one, but it had ignored which one? Paragraph 2. See this paragraph. It had ignored. Okay. And after this, it had searched for the p tag. Okay. So after this div, as like in previous adjacent, in which we had removed same type here, it had removed this div, and next he had searched for the paragraph. These all paragraph he got. One code is there. It searched for that also. But what type of sibling is this one? This is general sibling with the help of tilt symbol. So it will applicable where? On general sibling. Means whatever paragraph will be after this, it will applicable on all. Let's go another paragraph. Let's search whether it will work or not. This is P5. Now save. It get applied. Getting this? P. This is P6. It get applied. Correct.
Explain one more time.
Yeah. So in general, general means what? Whatever is coming, all become general. Correct.
Yes, sir.
It not going to matter whether immediate or next sibling or just intermediate, anything, nothing like that. So whatever comes under, first it will search for div. Correct. After div, it will ignore, means in that div section, it will ignore and it will search for the general sibling. General sibling means what? General p tag. Okay. So it will search for general p. So first it taken div, it ignored that one. It had not affected that paragraph 2. See this side, paragraph 2, it not affected. After this, whatever p is there, it applied on all.
On all, okay.
Yeah. But in the case of code, see, it had not taken because that is not comes under general.
Okay, sir. Sir, line number 202.
202. Okay.
You
Yeah.
have to write H1 tag.
Okay. Go with H1. This is H1. Okay. Save. It will not work.
And over there you have to mention H1 tag also.
Here,
Yes.
yeah. Give a comma and just see what will do. Whether it will work or not. It will
Yeah,
work.
it's working, perfectly working.
Okay, now my one question came. What type of selector it become?
Here, that first one.
Can anyone tell?
Sir, general selector or
Simple
simple
selector.
selector?
Simple
Correct,
selector.
correct. This is general selector, but this H1 is not the general selector. Okay, this becomes simple selector. Now,
Can we try with a space also?
give a space and give P. Wait, one code is there, na? One tag is written there. Yeah, code.
No.
This,
Just remove the comma over there. Just remove the inside P, no? Just remove the comma
Oh.
and give a space. Yes.
oh,
It's
this
working
one
or
you tell.
not. It's
Okay.
working or not, will let me
Let's
check.
verify. It gone completely.
So it's not working like descent selector.
You know
is working.
what you had done?
No,
In
no,
a
no.
space, 1 second. Conclusion from this, why it not work? Okay. What
Means,
about this one? What is this selector?
this was his general sibling selector.
General sibling. What about a space?
A space, which one that?
Descendant.
Descent.
Selector.
Descendant selector. But how it identify that whether this is descendant or not?
Sir, with the help of a
The
space.
table.
With the help of a
Space.
space. But that a space should not be with that this.
So div space P.
Sir, between two.
1 second.
So between the div, all type of selector will affected.
No, sir, what are trying to say before
Yeah.
we mentioned comma symbol on that comma that the simple selector is working over there, but we have to remove that comma and we have to, instead of that comma, we have to give us a space like
Correct.
descent, like what is that exactly? No, I don't know exactly.
Yeah,
So
descendant.
descendant is not working, but simple selector is working.
Yeah, because see on the structure you getting that top some structure is there. Div and then P it is searching, then it is searching for H1 like that.
Okay.
But it means
Sir,
it ignoring. Yeah.
all selector will work on a div, not in elements.
No, it will work everywhere.
Sir, right now I got it. Why is not working with the adjacent selector over here? Because of after
how it will work. I don't know whether it will work or not. Let's see one thing.
no,
Div P. Where is a div? This div become that one. Okay, and this P is there. Do one thing. Pass here one H1. I think it have to work when we will pass here.
then what the logic behind it? No, sir. What I'm trying to say now, sir. After div, sir, 1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Go with that CSS space. See, line number 45. After div, we gave some space.
Yeah.
And again that general selector, that after again we'll give the space, then only I think with the help of a space is not working.
Yeah, it's not going to work, means it's not combining that one actually.
Okay.
But when we passing comma, it will work.
Yeah,
it
comma
becomes
is working. Perfectly fine is working.
Yeah. So there are different scenario. That's not an issue. That's fine.
Sir, when we use greater side in
Yeah. Good question. We'll try
greater.
Yes.
Let's try. So where you have to pass a greater. What
After
you are
P.
doing?
No, sir, after P.
Okay, here. Yeah. I don't know what it will be. It will look like khichdi completely. We taking
Means, sir, yeah, here space is not considering over here after P.
You know what we are doing? We are taking all selector and passing with one tag itself. All are
One div.
fighting. All are fighting. He telling I will not
One
take.
selector left, sir. Left.
Oh, and others are telling no, you have to take this.
No, sir, it's
Some
not.
No, sir, H1, no, sir, H1, Dev plus P.
oh, here you telling
Sir, he is
Dev.
rearranging.
Yeah,
Oh, okay, and here
plus
H1.
H1.
Oh, see, nothing it will work because you all are giving all the things.
Experiment, sir.
No, sir. The things is no.
Yeah.
Simple selector is working perfectly, but adjacent selector is not working here, and that
Wait one
and
second.
child selector also not working.
Sir, what is the difference between descendant or child selector?
One second. Let me
Sir, can I
make-
explain, sir?
Huh. Explain her.
Basically, a descendants selector we are using with the help of a space, and for that child selector we are using plus operator. Okay, so in the child selector,
Child, this one greater than.
greater than. Sorry, it will be quite better. You have to explain.
See,
I'm
it is
asking.
too much confusing. Okay, if you will go like that, it will in one day it will confuse. See, in which selector you telling? Descendant. So,
Descendant and child.
yeah. So in case of descendant, what we had done, we had gone with the space.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So with the help of a space, we had group all the element, all the tag, like a div and p. Okay. So it had group all that.
Okay.
See, div and p. See, whatever div and
Yes.
means whatever p is there with div, it worked fine. Okay. But
Okay.
when you going, suppose child selector greater than symbol, what it had done? It had done taken a paragraph and taken the second also. Okay. But it had ignored section area. See. Okay. Section area it had ignored.
Okay,
But
sir.
again he taken the parent means
Immediate.
second one. Yeah, means immediate, not whatever is coming under their parent itself. Means div is the p tag, div is parent, and here section is also parent.
This all are
So
child.
then general sibling selector is same as child.
No, general means common. That's all comes under all.
Means he's not going to consider immediately whatever
Yeah,
it is.
but one thing. Yeah, now one difference. In case of a child, it taking considering the inside the div itself. Okay, but when you coming with the
Yes,
general,
sir.
it not considering this one, it will ignore these all, and it will consider after means outside.
Okay, paragraph 5 and 6. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
it will
got
consider outside. See this sibling. Wait, very general.
Yes, sir, got it.
Yeah, that it doing actually. It will ignore that. See, this is div paragraph second. It
Paragraph
not
3 and 5, 4.
okay. Paragraph, but outside immediate. It consider all. So
Oh.
that is general sibling. So in the case of so we had covered combinator selector. Correct? Completed? Any issue? Anyone have? Tell me.
No,
If
sir.
you one time if you
Clear.
will go with this now particularly, then you will get too much clear.
Yes, yes, yes.
Don't worry. These
Yes, sir.
are not complicated. Okay. But if you will go one time, just normal, you will realize what is the thing. Okay. So is it fine?
Yes, yes.
Atul, what about you? Is it fine? Okay. So what I will do now I will not go with the next selector. Tomorrow I will go with that next selector. Otherwise, you all will get selected today.
Otherwise, we'll make khichdi.
Yeah, really. Last example you had seen. Everybody taking all selector, pass in one, make that khichdi. Who else not like khichdi? You have to eat anyway.
Yeah, even I don't like khichdi. Literally, I'm telling.
Now we will go another style. Okay. Now it becomes simple. I don't know what is there. Now the color. Already we had seen the coloring. Okay. Different
Yes.
color is there. How we had passed. See, now CSS is simple. I have that idea. Just wait. My God, how much lengthy content.
Sir, can I grab my lunch, sir?
Yeah. Don't take khichdi. Okay. So color. So with the help of which what tag we had studied still regarding the color? We had studied two tag. One was background color and one was. Hello.
Yes, sir. Text color.
Yeah, we had studied two things still from the HTML itself for coloring, background color and one for the text color. So for the background color, which style we was using? Background dash color property. Okay, and we was passing
Yes.
that color. We're not going
Yes.
to practice this because already we had studied.
Yes,
And
sir.
second, for the text color. For text color, if you in interview, if they asking for text
Color.
color, you can tell that color. Don't tell text dash color. Okay, just
Color.
color. Okay, that thing. Now CSS a border color. If you have to pass a border color, you know that already. First, what is this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is this one? 2 pixel.
Sir, border size.
Border size, correct.
For thickness.
What about this? Yeah, thickness,
Solid.
correct.
For thickness.
Solid is for thickness.
For
Or
line.
what?
Tomato
Sir.
is color.
No. What about that? Solid. For what thing that one actually?
Sir,
Border.
for
Not border.
plain line, we use solid.
Line.
For dash,
For line.
Okay,
Dotted
but
line.
those dash.
in that place, solid, different things also is there.
Dash.
Border colors.
Border style we can tell. Okay, different types of border. If we want, we can add. H1. What is that? Oh, 1 second.
Border.
Wait. H1. BORDER. Border. Tell me first.
2 pixels. Solid.
2 pixel.
Solid tomato.
Tomato.
Tomato कौन सा color?
Don't think that tomato, onion, these are color name.
Tomato color.
Okay. It came tomato color. Okay. So if we want not solid, you want something
Dash.
different. What we will do?
Dash.
We will remove this solid and we will check. When you will pass something like GRO group is there, then we got something different. It's not gone more effective. You will see this effect. Now this. Okay. Now remove this group and go with dashed. Oh, sorry. ESH dashed. Now see it came like this. Okay. So there are different styles. So,
Sir.
this. Yeah.
Border. Sir, 20 px. Sir, px replace cm or other property.
Okay. Go check. I don't know what happened. This CM. Abhishek, what you done?
No, sir. What will work?
Sir, percent.
Put MM, sir.
It had work. What about this
Sir,
20%.
Actually, it will work. Maybe we already seen it working.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
but
20%.
what we doing? Don't write like this type of code: cm, mm, kg, kilogram. Okay,
no,
we
sir,
will
wo
take.
options will be there, no?
Yeah. Huh, we can. I think. See,
Yeah,
already
sir.
option is there.
Yeah.
Take inch. I think. Yeah. See this. Okay, not an issue. But mainly we are taking pixel.
Pixel.
Okay. Second thing we are taking percent. Go
Percent.
with percent. Check. 1 second. Oh, in a border we can't take percent. It not work.
Okay.
But usually we can pass in other case. Then again, what is that? Another VW. VW means view
VH
width.
is, sir. What is a VH?
Yeah, 1 second. VW means view width. View width means this browser width. when we had written HTML in a starting, meta tag is there. See this one, and here we had seen something. Where is it gone? Viewport, something was there. Yeah, 1.0 initial scale. See, we had a study viewport, view width, those things. View width means according to UI, your that largest or greatest means size will increase or decrease. It will depend according to a screen size. Means this screen, if I going to reduce, see, it had maintained. Correct or not? If suppose view width, so it will maintain that space whether you going in mobile or laptop or anything. See, it had maintained the margin and this thing also. But when you will take a pixel or percent, then it will vary. Let's see. Where is the style? Okay. PX. When you will make any responsive, that time they will suggest you take always percentage or otherwise VW. And now check for VH. VH. What about VH? What is this actually?
View height.
View height, correct. So when previously we had taken VW, means view width. Okay, see, it came like that. But when we taken VH, it came horizontally, okay, according to view height. Got this? So we can go this type like PX, percent, and those all VH, VW, those things. Any issue anyone have? And the third property is the color name. Okay, so it become border. Now in border itself, if you want to add a style, let me increase this. Yeah. So if you want to add a style in the background, what you will do? How we'll add background color yellow? We will pass this directly here. Background color yellow. Now it become colorful. So this way we can add multiple style like text color and background color. Now come to that. So there are different ways of passing the color. RGB, hexadecimal, HSL. These are not the matter. See how when we will get that different color. Click that cursor. I had told already previously also. See this become now RGB color. Correct. So this is RGB. So different value. No need to keep remember these all things. Just keep the cursor, pass the value, you will get automatic. So what makes
Sir,
it? Yeah.
Sometime we get that RGBA.
Yeah.
What
We will get here.
What stand for A?
I don't know. Let's see. It will come in
Alpha.
means in the
A
alpha.
for alpha. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, maybe that. So see, there are different like RGB. What is the full form of RGB? Red, green, and blue. Okay. So I will give this content, but no need to run means learn these all color name or this that. But yeah, RGB, what it stand for? Maybe some interviewer asking these things. So please, one time.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. As Shivani said, if A stand for alpha, but red for some properties and blue for some properties, what the property of A?
A will be some value. It will give
Like-
some value. Wait, it will
One.
come down.
Like
What will come down? Samir, wait, it will come in the dawn. So next is the hexadecimal value. So how we passing hexadecimal with the hash symbol?
Hash.
As like here we had seen. Wait, do one thing. Hexadecimal is there. Then see what is the color coding? RR, okay. Then GG, then BB means red 2 time, green, blue. This type we have to pass the value. Do one thing. Write something randomly and let's see what it will give.
Sir, hash
I don't-
A1F574, right?
Want to give mobile number? Yeah, tell.
No, sir. A1 F5
A1
F5
F5.
74.
Now see, we got some color already. It came. Okay, 74. Now see, it came some color. Okay, so when you giving any value, sure it will give you some color. Okay. So these are the hexadecimal. So there are different ways of passing. In this no restriction, whether you can take a like RGB value or hexadecimal value, there is no restriction. As like in pixel and those things, we have to always take like a px value, VW or percent, those things only. No need to take centimeter, meter, those things. But here, no any restriction. You can take anything. So that's a next is saturation. Saturation means this color property itself, it got getting down like that. You can, if you want, you can take this bait. I will take this and let's verify. Background color, this one. Oh, sorry, I removed that property itself. Yeah. So it become red. Now when you passing different saturation is 0, 80% and 50%. So there are different color, like when you will give this one 0, 0% and 50%, 0, 0% and 50%. Now it become somewhat blackish. Okay. So there are different ways of making that. So now lightness, that's also same. Now for the shading purpose, if you want, if you passing this type of value, you will get some shading style. Now HSLA, then hue, saturation, lightness, alpha, there are same different, no need to these all things. Then background color. Okay, so I think regarding how we will add color and a text color, now that clear or anyone have doubt up to that?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Why you jumping this much?
Sir, because time is 2 p.m.
Time is 2 p.m.
I'm hungry.
Okay, so now we will cover one more topic, that's it. Now regarding the background itself, okay, do one thing, left up to here. Tomorrow we will cover the background property, different. Now we know only one thing, how we will add that background color. If you want, you can complete now
Tomorrow
itself.
or in the evening?
No, not today, tomorrow.
In the
Means
evening?
no need. Today just practice your assignment. Okay.
Okay, no class for evening. Okay.
Yeah, no class.
Yes, sir.
Who all want class in evening?
I want
Anyone?
class.
I also want. I am not sure.
Okay, I am
No
going to
issue.
stop this.
You
All right.